Question number 22. Two cylinders X and Y are made from the same material, okay, connected in series. When they say there is a connected in series and you are talking about a problem in electricity, material means it's not talking about density here, okay, we are talking about resistivity here, resistivity. So which means rho X should be equal to rho Y, and they are connected in series, which means what? The current whatever flows here is the same, so I should be the same over here. The cross-sectional area of Y is twice that of AX. So 2AY is equal to AX, right? No, cross-sectional area of Y, I'm sorry. AY is equal to 2 times AX. The drift speed of electrons in X is Vx and that in Y is Vy. What is Vx by Vi? So we need to find out the ratio. So how do we find? When current is same, we know that I is equal to NEAVD, right? So therefore, N is same because same material, E is same, same electrons, area is changing and the current is same. So therefore, what I will do is I will write Ix is equal to Iy first, and then what I will do is I just substitute NEAX into Vx is equal to NEAY into Vy. Now when I do this, what do I get here? This Ne and Ne cancels away. Now I have Ay is equal to 2Ax. Ay is equal to 2Ax. So I will just write Ax into Vx is equal to, this is 2 times Ax into Vy. So this Ax and this Ax goes away. So what is that we need? Vx by Vy. So Vx by Vy is equal to 2. So the answer is B.